This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing power sources. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once done, disconnect the battery or engage the internal cutoff to isolate power. Make sure to wear an anti-static strap and work on a grounded surface because static kills components. Next, remove the back panel screws in a consistent pattern and keep screws labeled in small containers. You are now ready to access the cooling assembly and GPU area to continue disassembly safely and efficiently. Now you focus on the cooling assembly and the GPU mounting. First, unplug fan and heat pipe fan connectors, then loosen heatsink screws in a star pattern to avoid bending the board. Lift the heatsink gently. If stuck, wiggle slightly while checking for hidden connectors. Inspect the GPU. Is it soldered or an MXM card? If it's an MXM module, remove its bracket and socket screws. If soldered, stop and consult repair pros. Prepare the replacement GPU and fresh thermal paste so you can reinstall quickly. Finish by applying a pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the GPU die and reseating the module or reattaching the heatsink, tightening screws to specified torque if available. Once done, reconnect fan cables and the battery, then power on into BIOS first to verify the system sees the GPU and to monitor temperatures. Make sure drivers are updated after booting into the OS. If the laptop fails to post, reseat connectors, clear CMOS, and test with the original GPU or known good parts to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.